welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the GoPro Hero 10. So I got this GoPro from Costco for $389.99. $389.99 from Costco. Today we'll be unboxing the thing and checking this GoPro out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the GoPro Hero 10. Here is the packaging from if you buy from Costco. This includes a charger and SD card and a traveling case, as you can see on the top right corner. This is a Costco bundle. Here is the GoPro itself and how it looks like. And this has an automatic upload to the cloud. And here at the bottom, it has features that you can see with the icons, so such as the 4K resolution, Hypersmooth, and all that stuff that you see there. So that is it for the front side of the box, and let's take a look on the side of the box. The side of the box has more icons that features the GoPro, such as 23 megapixels. Here you can see how the resolution it shoots in. This has 33 feet underwater. This has voice control features, 8x slo-mo. This has a data overlay. This has time warp 3.0. This has an ability to record 1080p while live streaming. This has a HDR raw photos capability. You can upload videos to the cloud. And here are all the other features. And this has, you can also buy mods for it. And here is Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization. So that is it on this side of the box. Let's take a look on the other side of the box. The other side of the box talks about what you will get inside the box, such as the GoPro. As you can see right there, you also get 2 chargers with an SD card. Here is 2 cables, USB Type-C cables. Here is what you will be mounting with these 3 things that you'll need to mount to. This comes with a charger, and it also comes with a traveling case. So since I got this with Costco, you will also get Costco Concierge service technical support. And here is the phone number for the Costco free technical support. And yeah, so this is what you will get in the Costco bundle. And let's go back in front. And let's take a look on the back side of the box. The back side of the box, here it says upload your footage to the cloud while charging with a GoPro subscription. So unfortunately for the Costco bundle, you have to pay for a GoPro subscription, but nonetheless, you can also download the Quick app from the Apple or Google Play Store. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's see if we can go ahead and try and pull this out. But it looks like this is kind of like glued shut together. Let's go ahead and take out an X-Acto knife. So after some tugging, here it is. Here is the traveling case, which is the first thing you'll see once you unbox this thing. Here's the GoPro traveling case. High quality material. This is a hard case. And let's go ahead and unzip this thing. Pretty good zipper quality. And now let's lift up the top, and here is what we'll get. Here you can see the GoPro right away. As you can see right there. And here's the charger. You get two chargers, and you also get two batteries that comes with the charger. Here you have two USB cables. Here is your screw for the mounting, and here's the mount itself with adhesive. And let's set this down and check out the materials that we have on the top. So here it is. Here's the SanDisk Extreme 64 gigabyte micro SD card that you'll get with the Costco bundle. Here is the quick start guide. Here you have to download the quick app. Here is how you would remove and put in your charger and SD battery and SD card. Here's how you would charge it. Here's number 4, is how you power it on and how you would record the buttons to record. On the back side here, it teaches you on how to mount your GoPro, and you also get a couple of GoPro stickers. So here we have a booklet, have product questions. So this is one of those FAQs. And let's go ahead and see if there's some colorful illustration, but I'm sure it wouldn't read that. But here is the quick start guide on how to charge your batteries. Here you have to connect a USB type C to the charger. Nothing else right there. And here is the instruction booklet. And yeah, so here's this content that you'll get. And now let's go ahead and check out the GoPro Hero 10. So here's a closer look of the GoPro Hero 10. Here you have the front screen, kind of like a screen that records of what you are doing. Here on the back side, you have this, I think it's a 2.7 inch display. Here is the camera lens. Let's remove the protective screen protectors. And yeah, so that is the GoPro Hero 10. We have GoPro Hero branding. Here's the glass display up in front. Here's the camera lens, which is removable. And here's the speaker that records audio. Here's where you're going to open your ports. Here's the power button on this side of the GoPro Hero 10. And we have another GoPro here. You have an LED indicator light that tells you that you're recording. And here is the record button. And here's the bottom side of the GoPro. Here you have, if you put this down, you can go and mount this thing. And here's the display one last time. And yeah, so that's pretty much about it for this GoPro Hero 10 unboxing. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this GoPro. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.